Hello everyone. So today we will discuss 50 questions of static GK, and these questions are important in all exams in which GK is included. Okay, and this is the second part. First part is in playlist. Go and watch that. Okay. So let's start. First question is Omkareshwar Dam is situated on which river? So answer is Narmada. Correct option is B part. Second question is Harike Lake is located at. So correct option is D part. Answer is Punjab. Third question is Sariska National Park is located at. So answer is Rajasthan. Correct option is B part. Fourth question is thrown out from job due to low demand come under which type of unemployment? So answer is cyclical. Correct option is A part. Fifth question is pellagra disease occur due to deficiency of. So answer is vitamin B3. Correct option is B part. Sixth question is Satkosia Tiger Reserve is located at. So answer is Odisha. Correct option is A part. Seventh question is International Day for Biodiversity is celebrated on. So answer is 22nd of May. So correct option is B part. Eighth question is how many liter of blood filtered per day? So answer is 180 liter. Correct option is D part. Ninth question is least reactive metal is. So answer is gold. Correct option is B part. 10th question is World Ocean Day is celebrated on. So answer is 8th of June. Correct option is D part. 11th question is galloping inflation also called as runaway inflation. So correct option is C part. 12th question is refractive index is highest for. So answer is violet. Correct option is C part. 30th question is Delhi was annexed by British in. So answer is 1803. Correct option is C part. 14th question is Thattekad Bird Sanctuary is situated in. So answer is B part. Correct option is Kerala. 15th question is Man Booker Award is given in the field of. So answer is literature. Correct option is C part. 16th question is Lothal is situated in. So answer is Gujarat. Correct option is A part. 17th question is Indravati National Park is located at. So answer is Chhattisgarh. Correct option is B part. 18th question is noise level in industrial area in day is restricted to. So answer is 75 decibel. Correct option is B part. 19th question is 2024 Olympics will be held in. So correct answer is Paris in France. Okay. Correct option is B part. Okay. 20th question is author of speed postage. So answer is Sobhade. Correct option is A part. 21st question is S. Balachandran is related to. So correct option is C part. Answer is Veena. 22nd question is National Defence Academy is located at. So correct option is C part. Answer is Maharashtra. 23rd question is Indo-Tibetan Border Police was established in. So answer is 1962. Correct option is B part. 24th question is headquarter of Eastern Command of Navy is in. So correct option is A part. Answer is Vishakhapatnam. 25th question is Hazrat Bal Masjid is situated in. So correct option is B part. Answer is Srinagar. 26th question is World Diabetes Day is observed on. So correct option is C part. Answer is 14th of November. 27th question is headquarter of NATO is. So correct option is A part. Answer is Brussels. 28th question is biggest library of world is located at. So correct option is B part. Answer is Washington. 29th question is in Jainism perfect knowledge is referred to as. So answer is Kavale. Correct option is C part. 30th question is Montreal Protocol is related to. Answer is ozone depletion. Correct option is A part. 31st question is the national anthem of India was first sung in. So correct option is D part. Answer is 1911. 32 question is India's first satellite Arvat was launched in. So correct option is D part. Answer is 1975. 33rd question is Gol Gumbaz, the largest tomb in India, is located in the state of. So correct option is A part. Answer is Karnataka. 34th question is Lingaraja temple is located at. So correct option is A part. Answer is Bhubaneswar. 35th question Knesset is the parliament of. So correct option is C part. Answer is Israel. 36th question is which color has the longest wavelength? So correct option is C part. Answer is red. 37th question is Antara is the news agency of. So correct option is C part. Answer is Indonesia. 38th question is brightest planet is, so correct option is C part, answer is Venus. 39th question is Pinaka is a multi-barrel rocket launcher system, so correct option is A part. 40th question is Hopman Cup is related to, so correct option is B part, answer is lawn tennis. 41st question is the first summit of SARC was held at, so correct option is D part, answer is Dhaka. 42nd question is National Institute of Homeopathy is located at, so correct answer is Kolkata, and correct option is B part. 43rd question is Kelkar committee is related to, so correct option is A part, answer is income tax. 44th question is who is named as Indian Einstein, so correct option is B part, answer is Nagarjun. 45th question is author of the songs of India, so correct option is C part, answer is Sarojini Naidu. 46th question is who is the inventor of rabies vaccine, so correct option is C part, answer is Louis Pasteur. 47th question is currency of Italy is, so correct option is A part, answer is lira. Okay. 48th question is number of players in polo, so correct option is B part, answer is 4. 49th question is national sports of Sri Lanka is, so correct option is B part, answer is volleyball. 50th question is Sastham Kutta Lake is located at, so correct option is C part, answer is Kerala. So this is the 50 question of strategy K, and first part is in playlist, go and watch that. And for free study material and free daily quizzes, join Telegram group, okay, and subscribe this channel. Thank you.